Because this was not an original factory color. Told me this is a what, primer, no clear, right?
Yeah, primer with clear.
With the sun hitting that there, yeah. So what we do with this?
Fluid, man.
Can you get some goldfish and like, let's put them in the headlight here. Now, how was this actually started?
How all this started was...
Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and in case you missed the last video, that's right, I've got Ben's Capri here again. We were doing other stuff today, but so check that video out if you haven't. This car lives, unless he destroyed it in that video, which I'm not sure because I'm filming this right now. But anyway, what we were doing here is hanging out with some other Mustang people. And of course we are at a gas station because we got Mustangs, so you know, they always need gas. We've got Foxbody right here. We've got a 01 Bullet over there. And Matt Cerbin is on the way, in case you guys don't know him, the Cerbinator. So we're gonna have his little 4-cylinder coupe out here. Actually not a coupe, what am I saying? It's a hatch, but it is a 4-cylinder, 2.3. Just kind of hanging out doing Mustang stuff today. So who knows what shenanigans we'll get into? We'll find out. Bring you guys along. Ben the Destroyer, the crank. You got it cranked, folks.
There we go.
Third time.
Freaking 5 Texas.
Sorry guys, I'm still getting over being sick. Ben, don't make me laugh.
No!
Yeah, Doug, you said it's actually a 93, right?
93.
Yeah.
Stop.
Huh. Oh, it is?
Yeah. Oh yeah. 200,000 mile motor.
Yeah, almost 200, 197. Everything's stock on it besides the starter. And of course, air intake and throttle body.
What about still exhaust manifolds? Yeah.
Yeah, everything.
And then it's painted primer, a little bit of clear coat on it.
Yeah, primer clear.
Yeah, I need to get it in the sun.
And that there, the 7293 is actually the born date of the car. The 6 with the under score on it is actually it coming off the assembly line.
Oh, is it 6-1 of the day or something like that?
Yeah, 6th one off the assembly line.
Okay.
7293 was the born date.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Starting off, that's exactly what it is. Third owner of it, or was, I sold it to a buddy.
Yeah.
Got bored with it, sold it to buddy. He had it for 6 months and traded I had a World Raleigh Blue Bug-Eye Subaru, a little WRX, and traded him for this car. I've had it ever since and don't plan on getting rid of it.
Many of the modifications are just suspension, right?
Suspension.
You got an IRS, you said.
Yeah, IRS, train shocks, Ford Racing Big Spring with the half coil cut.
Yeah.
It's just a driver. I've had fast cars. I've had a 700 horsepower Cobra, mid 400 horsepower Foxbody, first car ever.
Yeah.
Built 308 with AFR heads, 5-cut gears in the trans, a whole bunch of fun
I'm
stuff.
guessing this one's more reliable than that one was. Being
yeah.
stock, right?
This one, it's been from North Carolina to Mississippi twice, from here to St. Louis twice, and I will jump in this and take it across the world without even thinking twice about it.
Nice.
It don't leak oil, it don't have no knocks,
Well,
don't smoke.
200,000 miles.
Yeah, almost. Future plans with it, heads cam intake on it.
Are you? Okay.
And maybe build a motor, but my thing is car's way too straight and way too clean to beat on it.
Yeah.
And I know once I build a motor on it, I'm gonna want to beat on it, and I just don't know if I want to start doing that to this car. So I might just find me a Ben the Destroyer kind of Capri.
Yeah.
And put a nice motor in.
Hashtag Ben the Destroyer.
Right
here. SN95 spindles, is that how you did the front?
94, 95 spindles.
Yeah.
OEM 10th anniversary from 0304 Cobra. 17
Yeah,
by 9.
the wheels, yeah.
Yeah, plus 26. I don't like the wheels to sit in. I'm all about the wheel being flush with the fender.
Yeah.
For the most part.
Yeah, you almost got a poke there. Looks good.
It loves it or hate it. The interior, it's got the super rare ruby Some people call it porno. And it's like,
Yeah.
no.
I've heard the Scarlet called porno too, actually.
No,
so.
it's porno red.
Yeah, it's actually
Yeah,
not.
we hear
Porno
you.
red.
That's not the color.
Porno red.
It ain't.
But it is primer. You told me this is a what, primer, no clear, right?
Yeah,
Primer with clear. It's shiny.
Oh, primer with clear. Okay.
It's only primer with clear that actually shift color depending on the light. Like you see, it's looks silver there, but it's a darker color there.
Yeah.
But it's based off the Toyota color with more metallic and more pearl.
Okay. Yeah, because this was not an original factory color as far as I know, right?
No.
Yeah, yeah.
It just got painted a month before Mustang Week. It has 3 different colored pearls. It
Okay.
has, blue, green, and white. But it also has a lot of flakes. When we went to Mustang Week, a lot of people would look at it and then would lean over and actually see all the metal flake. You can actually see it shimmering off the fender right there.
Mm-hmm. Let's it's hard to get. Let's get it in the sun and get better. No, it looks with the sun hitting that there. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks completely different.
Yeah. I like the, so you decided not to paint the body side moldings, right? I think that actually looks pretty good though.
Well, I'm an old school LX person. If it's an LX hatch
That's-
or LX
that's how it
notch,
was.
It's gotta have black trim.
Yep.
Black windows. Like, there's a car that looks similar to mine on Instagram.
Yeah.
And he is Nardo, and everybody gets this mistaken with Nardo, and every once in a while Leadfoot or whatever color they
Leadfoot gray, yeah.
Because it changes. But
Yeah, look at that.
everybody was like, Nardo. I was like, no, not.
Okay, that's why you've got Not Nardo here.
Hashtag not Nardo.
Not Nardo. Okay, all right.
But I'm an old school person. I like, if it's an LX, gotta have the black trim. Everybody, even including my fiance, said that I should have done the paint of the match trim. I'm like, yeah, absolutely not. You gotta have the black.
I like it either way, but I think it looks really good on your car.
Yep.
$60, which is, if you're gonna be that low, what you want. What do you call that again?
Team Magic or
Team
Team Drift Magic. Something.
Okay.
So
It's not the Maker's Garage.
No. I did the hashtag make your own makers with
Yeah.
with half the price.
Yeah, it's only $60, guys. Here comes trouble, right there.
I had 83 taillights on it, and a lot
Oh,
of
did you?
people thought it was an 83. And then a lot of people try to tell me my own year, my own car.
Oh yeah?
Because
You don't know what year it is.
yeah, well, 93 they didn't offer painted to match, or it was all painted to match trim. It wasn't black.
Yeah.
And like I said, I'm old school LX.
Yeah, we already put that in here. We know that. See?
Primer clear.
You heard it from Matt Cerbin. That's all it is. Primer clear. Well, this is your Instagram with 1650, right?
Right.
So, want to see more of that car? Check him out on Instagram.
It'll be
But
fun, more
it's
to
pretty
come.
nice, yeah. He's planning heads cam intake, some other stuff.
Yeah,
So
you'll also see every once in a while we have an 04 Cobra on there.
Okay.
It'll be on there as well. Future projects possibly.
yeah, that's your
Fiance. That's,
fiance's car. Okay.
yeah, that's her. It's Venomous 04 on Instagram.
Okay.
So if anybody wants to check it out, go ahead and give that a follow.
Yeah. I'll put that up on the screen too if you guys want to check it out. So Matt's over there making sure everything looks good. We got a big gap right here. I don't know. I just put the Capri where I was told, so it's not my fault. Yeah, it's got a little fishbowl there effect, Ben. You see
We
that?
got some blinker fluid, man.
Can you get some goldfish and like, let's put them in the headlight here.
Oh man, you know I can do that.
Yeah, that's a new FoxBody
Hey
thing.
Dad,
Let's see.
you get some pet goldfish today. I'll take this
All
to
right.
the store right now.
So I was about to make Matt tell you guys about what his car is on because he's never told me what the springs are, but instead he's talking about his new spoiler over here. For those of you that don't know, this is another Matt. I know there's Matts all over this stupid YouTube channel that you guys are watching. But this is another one. This is Cerbinator. And this is a new design here, spoiler you got? Or is this the classic?
It's a slight modification on the tall blade I usually sell for the FoxBody coupes and convertibles. It's 3/4 of an inch wider. So usually where this rounded edge is right here, it's usually where the normal tall blade ends at. So this much is actually added onto it so it sits over the rear quarters of the car. It's a little bit of a clearance cut. This is the very first one assembled. I'm going to actually add
This
another,
is the prototype, in other words.
Yeah. So I'm going to add another 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch to the clearance cut
Okay.
on each side.
For all coupes and convertibles, though, essentially.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
And is this going to replace the other one you got now, or just optional?
It's going to be an additional option.
Okay.
So basically it's got a 0.7 of an inch deep center cut along it. This actually started off of doing the center cut blade on the 05 to 09 cars.
Okay. You don't have anything for the S550s yet, do you?
Not yet.
All right, so S197, Fox bodies, obviously.
At this point, yeah.
And no hatches? Anything for the Fox body hatches yet?
I'm working on that right now.
Okay.
So my own 86 GT, I've been working on doing some mechanical work onto it. I've got a actual factory 3-piece wing from the old Pace car. Taking and working on getting the car mechanically sound to drive it, 2 3D scanning, 3-piece spoiler installed, body worked, everything, so it's perfect. Basically, we'll scan it on the car fully installed and scan the individual pieces of the spoiler off the car. So you can get
this is on the 86 you're talking about. You're going to just scan it on that one,
Yep.
Which he was up all night last night working on that, right? You haven't got any sleep.
I started on the car 3 o'clock yesterday, put it on around 12 o'clock today.
Yeah, so that's why, you know, he has tons of energy like here, just like I do. But
I don't know how I have it. How
are you standing here? Well, we want to see what Ben's going to do. You know, we're going to see if what's going to blow up today. So
I mean,
that's the only reason I'm here.
Nothing new with him.
We already tried.
Yeah. Don't worry, we'll bring that in another video.
That's why it's called Ben the Destroyer.
That's right.
You can thank Tim Foreman for that.
Yeah. On all social media, use hashtag Ben the Destroyer and make sure that ends up with all of your posts there. Ben the Destroyer. Now, how was this actually started, this design? Because it's more like a NASCAR style spoiler, right?
So how all this started was the very first Southeastern Fox Bodies meet we all went to. Me, Harris, Ben, Steven. We all went up to Carolina Ale House. It was actually the first time we all met. Harris just recently had started at NASCAR, I believe. He's a social media guy up there for them downtown. Yeah,
Lou Creative, you guys should know, but just in case.
Basically, he brought up the idea of, oh hey, why doesn't someone make like a stock car style spoiler for the cars while we're there? It's like, at the time I was working ARCA lower series racing, and it's like, I have the resources, we can make this happen. We drew it out on a napkin. A couple months later, I had a rough prototype, and I actually had a final product by Foxtoberfest.
Okay, and this is 2017? Is that right?
16.
16, okay. So, cool, and don't you have a website for it too?
Just Cerbinator Auto Designs.
Okay, all right. So I'll have that link down in the description below, and I'll put it up on the screen here if you guys want to check it out. And then on your Instagram, you're all the time posting pictures of cars that have the spoilers on them.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. You mind if I hold it here and check it out real quick?
Go for it.
Okay. Ben, come hold this camera.
Oh yeah.
This thing's actually pretty lightweight.
Yep.
All right. So what we do with this?
Now, if you put it on the back of the Capri, it'll disappear.
It'll work on verts. Let's put it on your desk.
It's got this Cobra spoiler.
Let's knock that off. Got a hammer?
No. Don't fight you on that one. That one right there, he's got the Calypso. There was a video on that.
That's right.
He's not getting one of these.
See, I'm just going to turn the channel over to him. You know, I'm coughing. Ben, you know everything. You take over.
Well, see, the problem is we've already got one sitting at the house, and it's just sitting there. So if anyone wants one, hit me up.
It's just going to be a daily update of what breaks for you, though.
Yeah.
Hashtag Ben the Destroyer. All right, so you guys know I've been sick. I haven't been feeling well. That's why you saw the video with Tiffany that I wasn't even in. So today, Ben, you made all this happen.
Yeah.
Just for me.
Yeah.
At least that's what he tells me.
So we told Matt, you know, you're not feeling good, you know, we'll get a couple cars out here, we'll have some fun, that way you're not having to talk about it.
Yeah, and this was impromptu. You got, what do we got, 6 cars out here?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we could have had 7, but you guys don't want to see the Jetta. I don't want to see the Jetta unless I blow it up, and then I might include that in the video.
And then we'll have Matt the Destroyer.
Yeah, then Matt, but no, remember, hashtag Ben the Destroyer. Anyway, I appreciate you putting this together, buddy.
You're welcome, man.
Appreciate it. There you go. Now he can get sick because no, you'll be all right.
I've already had it.
Yeah.
I've already had it, trust me.
Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this little impromptu video. Thanks again to Ben. You know, follow him on social media, hashtag Ben the Destroyer. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, you actually like this kind of content, subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Gearhead 704. There's Randy, he came out today. Drew, They brought these cars, got all the cars. There's Ben running. Run, Ben.
Running away.
Keep running,
Running away.
Hold on. Let's do it like this. What's Ben doing? What's he doing? What's he doing?
I'm going to the car. You're running with me. I don't know where you're going.
You gonna follow and put this in video? It'll be fun to watch.